Imagine waking up to endless turquoise waters and powdery white sands. Welcome to Zanzibar, where paradise feels tangible. This East African gem blends rich Swahili culture with unmatched natural beauty. Wander through Stone Town's labyrinth alleys and discover its UNESCO-listed history. Dive into mouth-watering flavors of fresh seafood and traditional spiced dishes straight from local markets. Snorkel over vibrant coral reefs or just bask in the serenity of the Indian Ocean? Zanzibar offers something for everyone. From luxury resorts to quaint beachside bungalows, every corner feels like a dream. Best time to visit? July to October for clear skies and low humidity. Here, inclusivity meets adventure. Zanzibar warmly welcomes all. Pack light and bring curiosity, because paradise is calling. Escape to where waves whisper stories and time stands still. Subscribe to Destination Travel and explore more hidden treasures like Zanzibar. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below. Adventure awaits.